Welcome to the hcars.studio YouTube channel. The 2025 Freightliner Pickup Truck. Freightliner, famous for its commercial trucks, has launched its first ever pickup truck, the 2025 Freightliner Pickup Truck. This truck is built to offer top-notch durability and performance for professionals, adventurers, and anyone needing a tough, capable vehicle. Exterior: tough and bold. Powerful grille. Features Freightliner's signature grille with chrome accents, showcasing strength. Durable build. Made with high-strength steel and aluminum for toughness and lighter weight. Practical features. Includes LED lights, wide fender flares, and optional off-road packages. Interior: comfort and function. Spacious cabin. Double cabin design offers plenty of room for passengers and gear. Upscale materials. Optional leather seats, wood accents, and noise reduction tech for a refined feel. Advanced technology. A 12-inch screen with Freightliner's connectivity system for navigation, diagnostics, and entertainment. Performance: powerful and reliable. Engine choices: a 6.7L turbo diesel V8 with 450 horsepower and 1,000 lb-ft of torque for heavy-duty work. A gas-powered V6 for lighter tasks and better efficiency. Towing and payload. Tows up to 20,000 pounds. Bed capacity of over 3,000 pounds for heavy loads. Off-road and utility features. 4x4 standard. All models come with locking differentials and skid plates for rough terrains. Innovative bed. Includes built-in tie-downs, a multi-function tailgate, and optional power outlets. Trailering tech. Tools like a 360-degree camera and trailer sway control make towing easier and safer. Technology and safety. Driver assistance. Comes with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring. Fleet tracking. Telematic system for monitoring truck performance and location. Software updates. Over-the-air updates keep the truck's tech current. Pricing and availability. Starting price: $65,000 for the base model, with premium and work-specific versions available. Release date: launching in mid-2025 at dealerships and Freightliner centers. Conclusion: the 2025 Freightliner Pickup Truck blends heavy-duty capability with modern comfort and technology. Whether for work or adventure, it sets a new standard in the pickup truck market. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.